Most people think premium credit cards are only about status, but the Citic Venture Visa Infinite Privilege Card is more about travel rewards and perks than just a shiny metal card. Let's break it down. The card offers a generous rewards program, 2 Adventure points per dollar spent on travel, and 1.5 points on everyday purchases. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or even transferred to airline loyalty programs, making it versatile for frequent travelers. The card also comes with a suite of travel protections, travel medical insurance, trip cancellation, delayed baggage coverage, and rental car insurance. These perks can save you hundreds or even thousands in emergencies, which is why it's popular among people who travel often. Annual fees are $399, which is steep for casual users. However, if you redeem points wisely and take advantage of travel perks, the value can far outweigh the cost. The welcome bonus often ranges around 35,000 points if you meet the spending requirement in the first few months. Other benefits include concierge services, airport lounge access, and enhanced purchase protection. These extras make traveling smoother and shopping safer. Most people get this wrong by assuming the rewards are limited to flights. In reality, points are flexible, and you can book hotels, car rentals, or even experiences. Planning ahead maximizes the value. The downside, heavy spenders benefit the most. If you rarely travel or spend conservatively, the annual fee may not justify the card. In conclusion, the Citic Venture Visa Infinite Privilege Card is ideal for frequent travelers who want flexible rewards, strong insurance coverage, and premium services. For those looking for everyday spending benefits only, a simpler card might make more sense. Subscribe for more credit card reviews to make sure you choose the right card for your lifestyle.